Well, hello, you trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their friends. How you doing? Look at this. The market is down about 0.5%, and it was down almost like 1% or so earlier, maybe even more than that. But got a little elevated volume today. VIX is at 16, just like it was yesterday. AD negative 91. So it looks like we're, at the overnight highs of last night. So it's, it kind of came back, didn't it? Kind of came back. So we'll see if we go back down or not. Let's look at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster says that we are oversold for the fair value thing above. And it looks like that gap filled, doesn't it? It looks like the gap filled almost. So we had a gap down and then up. So we'll see if we go into this area here or if we go back down into the overbought area. But I don't know. This kind of looks bullish to me. Kind of looks bullish from where I'm looking here. Let's see what the linear regression looks like. Someone made a comment on YouTube last night. Oh, there's that stupid thing. I don't want to join for free. Jeez, leave me alone. What crap is this? Yeah, I need to get rid of this thing. I don't want this thing. I just want to show this without that stupid little ad. So we're still in the downturn. Everybody see this? This is still in that, and we will not go back up until we break through this little area here decisively. And we have not done it yet, even though we do have a doji candle for the day. How about that? Isn't that cool? So let's see how things are going with our count today. All right. So last time we were at 287. Let's see. Today is the 25th. Wow. Can y'all believe that? It's 425, 25th. And our balance is $337,423. No, $460. 478. Sorry, 478.29. Praise the Lord, we're up 50,000. Wait a minute. That's not right because we added 50,000. So let's put in our 50,000 in there that we added to this account. And so now 287, let's move this up. 287, 514, 287, 514 plus 50,000 is 337, 514, 337, 514. All right, so we're down $35.71. Wah, cry me a river, right? Let's see our Greeks and ratios today. Greeks and ratios are on this account, we got 413 deltas, 299 in theta. Raka. 413, 299. See what that looks like. 413, 299. And 16 is our little thingamajig. So it looks like our deltas are still fine. I closed the other day, day before yesterday, I closed a couple of those short futures. And today I was like, well, I wish I'd left them on. And then I went back in and I closed the rest of them. So that's why our delta's at 413. And let's see what our buying power is today. Buying power, we don't want to count Bill. So let's look at our position. So we're at 121.7. 121.7. All right. All right, so we're at 36%. Wah, cry me a river. This thing looks good, doesn't it? And we can be as high as 506 and still be delta neutral. So really no need to sell any futures now. Most of the time when I sell futures, I look back and go, I wish I hadn't sold them. And truly, I wish I hadn't sold those the other day because I lost about $1,500 on those futures. So let's see if any trades are saying that we need to take them off today. No automatic close signals. Now, since we got 50 extra thousand, let's see what our position size and calculator says. Looks like we can put on about 1.86 positions per week. So that's talking about 2 per week is where we need to be. So 2 per week, we put one on Thursday. So let's put one on today. So let's go to, in this account, we trade the ES. So we're going to do the classic 1-1-1 trade, y'all. Now, this is really easy. Oh, and I wanted to tell you this. For those of you that want to purchase the latest trading plan, I've got the latest trading plan here, and I actually have uploaded it at Gumroad, so you will see those of you that are buying it outright. I posted it in the thing, but it now includes the zebra. The zebra is now a part of it. And all I did, if you've already bought the thing and you want to add the zebra, this is the only thing that I added to it. A zebra using MES or ES, sell one at the money put, buy two in the money puts nearest to 60 days to expiration so that the extrinsic value is near zero. That's it. And then the zebra decreases your delta, decreases your theta, and decreases your buying power. So that's just something else to add to our arsenal of what we can do to adjust our accounts. So that's in the description below if you want to buy that. It's like $19 or something. All right. It's well worth it for you to have your own trading plan. All right. So let's look and see here. We're going to do the 111. So let's go trade. And here's what we do, y'all. We go closest to 120 days. So we'll go 100. So here we could either go to the 113 or 127. I say let's go to this 127, right? Yeah, either one of those is fine. Let's go to 127 and let's sell something that's at a 10% probability of profit. And here, I could make it safer by selling this one. I could do this one, but then it messes up my grouping. So let's just do the 35.75 right here, 4,500. Let's bump that up to $36 and see if we can get filled here. Let's see. Come on, baby. Here we go. So we're in at $36 and we did that for 4,500, 127 days. 4,500, 127 days. Beck, get your dog.
I gotta go get them.
Huh? 4,500. What do we say? We got filled at 127 days. And I think it was $36. Let's see. Activity filled at, oh, come on. They need to work on this so we can do this thing here. We got filled at $36. There we go. So $36, and we got filled today. So let's go do all of this. Here we go. So this was ES. ES, we did one. We'll call this naked put 25. It's our 25th one putting it on this year, and it's great. So we'll do puts, and this is naked. And then 425.24. So that brought in $1,798 of premium. So then let's do our little put debit spread. And you go, what is a put debit spread? Now, some of you don't want to do this put debit spread because you're like Bobby, they never work out. That's fine. Don't sell it. Just sell a naked put. So these are going to be puts, debit spread, 127 days, today's date. And let's see how much we can get into these things for. All right, so let's go here. So we'll go trade, still in at 127 days. And we want to go, and the reason I don't overlap them is because, the grouping's messed up. So I could either go closer, but I would be spending more for the insurance, right? But my trap would definitely be closer, or I could go farther away and get that trap way, way, way down there. So I think what I'll do, let's look at this one, see how expensive this is. $49.50 to $4,900 is $12. That's just more than I want to pay for it, to be honest. So let's go down a little bit more here. So let's do the 4,700, 4,750 for $690. How about that? Rocco. There we go. So we got in that one for $690. So 4,750, $690. 4,750, 4,700 for $690. Now we got to go put those in their groups, right? So let's see. Let's go find our groups over here. So we go to positions in ESM4. That may not be it. Maybe ESU4. Here we go. So this is put debit spread 25. Let's see here. Group positions, PDS 25, group, and then naked position. Group and positions in naked put 25. Now let's see what the oldest one that we still got on here. Have we closed any of these things? Let's see. Our oldest naked put is naked put 15. We closed 14 of them. So we've got a naked put 15. Let's just see how much profitable that is. Naked put 15. See if we can find him here. There's NP 15. There's BSH 15. Let's see. Come here, little feller. Come here, little feller. Okay, you're not there. So let's see right here if you're in the M4. PDS NP15. There we go. NP15. He's up 70.9%. Waka waka. I mean, you could take that off if you wanted to, but why? I mean, look, here's where you make your decisions, y'all. This page right here. Deltas are fine. I'm a little low in this. Now we probably are okay in that. Let's see what our new theta is. Our new theta is 322. Yes, look at this. That means in ordinary circumstances, we make $322 a day. This is great. This is really great. I just love this. This strategy, y'all, is the best strategy I've ever traded. And we're on track for, 20% a year. So that should be good. I know this thing says that we're only up 3.87, but that's not right? Because we started out with 459,000 and now we're down to 337,000 because we moved money out, we moved money back in. So I got to figure that out. And we're doing well. All right, any questions for anybody? Anybody? All right, if not, I will see everybody tomorrow. Y'all have a blessed day. Bye-bye.